The Arthritis Strategy is a 21-day step-by-step, completely natural guide intended to treat all types of arthritis. It has been compiled in such a way that combines both scientific and traditionally followed health tricks. Precisely, Shelly Manning has considered 47 scientific studies' findings and a hidden secret from Southeast Asia that is poised to bring utmost relief to consumers. As someone who developed and overcame rheumatoid arthritis, Shelly believes that her approaches are universal. The Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy features. In her elaborately explained 21-day step-by-step arthritis strategy, Shelly shows how simple changes in your daily diet can yield wonderful results in arthritic pain. Her plan is based on the miraculous properties of natural ingredients that need to be taken in the right combinations and amounts and at appropriate times to loosen your joints and enhance their flexibility almost instantly. No matter how many the Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy review you go through, you will find that the program has garnered mainly positive answers only. Most of the ingredients are available on the shelves at your local grocers. You just need to know what to eat and what to avoid. For instance, Shelly informs you of trigger foods, which are fruits and vegetables that lead to inflammation. She also introduces you to a range of superfoods and some vitamins that reverse the symptoms of arthritis and bring relief. In addition, there is a selection of easy exercises and healthy habits to keep your joints moving. To get you an insight into the book, here are the chapters included in the book. Chapter 1: How I Beat the Most Common Disease in America Without Drugs. Chapter 2: A Little Word Called Arthritis, What It Is, What It Does, and Why Nothing Has Worked So Far. Chapter 3: How Inflammation Causes Arthritis. Chapter 4: What a moose taught scientists that the Chinese knew for centuries. Chapter 5: Arthritis Cure in a Pill. Which vitamin is must? Chapter 6: Omega-3 fats, your new best friends and arthritis' worst enemy. Chapter 7: Superfoods that drop inflammation and destroy arthritis. Chapter 8: Lose weight to lose arthritis. Chapter 9: Exercising with arthritis. It's possible. Chapter 10: Yoga and Tai Chi for arthritis. Chapter 11: Everything Under the Rising Sun, Ancient Asian Arthritis Cures That Work. Chapter 12: Wrapping Up. And in the last, you get 21-day plan, or the actionable blueprint to heal your disease. Pros and cons of the Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy ebook. Pros. In this The Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy review, we would like to tell you that the program has several benefits. Natural. The Arthritis Step-by-Step program is completely natural, curing arthritis through nutritional food and diets. Scientific. While the main approach of the program is based on ancient Chinese dietary practices, the solutions have been scientifically researched and validated. No side effects compared to the expensive drugs and treatments prescribed by medical practitioners. This program has no side effects. Weight loss. Along with curing arthritis, the solutions mentioned in the book help you lose weight by showing you how to eat right. Easy. Blue hair and arthritis cure reviews are easy to follow. The pain and stiffness would be gone very quickly as you practice the strategy. Long-lasting. The healing will be long-lasting. Thus, you would not need to suffer from that much stiffness and pain again. Excellent support. When you buy the program, you get online assistance 24/7. Anytime you feel any difficulty, you can talk to a specialist and get help. Hidden secret revealed. A hidden secret from Southeast Asia is also revealed in the program. The author tells about an ancient Chinese herb in the book that heals arthritis. Cons. Online. You can only buy the program online as the Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy PDF, which you can download on your smart device. Unconventional. Based on alternate healing practices, the usual medicinal drugs and pills are absent. Expensive. The program comes at a price, though compared to regular medical treatments it is still less. Main advantages of the Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy PDF. No pain, no gain may be true for a lot of things in life. With the Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy, you can actually heal arthritis without painful side effects. The key advantages of the program are listed below. The Arthritis step-by-step strategy is completely natural and based on eating habits, making it a painless way to treat the disease. It is suggested in the Arthritis step-by-step strategy review that you can simply request a refund and you will get your money back without being asked any extra questions or unnecessary imposed conditions. You don't need to impose any kind of restrictions on your life in terms of eating your favorite foods or drinking your favorite vino, and in fact, doing anything you want. The solutions recommended in the Blue Hair and Health Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy book are easy to assimilate into your life without hassles. The next advantage comes from how easy it is to follow. Once you purchase the program, you get instant access to a link that allows you to download the Arthritis Step-by-Step Strategy ebook, including a quick start guide hand-holding you to begin the program.